Stay away from us.
Where is he going? Ah, but where you going, bro? You're not brethren, you.
Nice being a candle.
You're not brethren. You're not brethren. You're not brethren. You, Bakinho, you.
Hey, why you stick yourself there now? You want to be in the limelight. There.
There. Like being a candle. You're not brethren. Slurp.
Guys, speak. I have to go.
Oh.
Yeah. You're not gonna speak.
Cynthia.
Hey, Cynthia, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm okay. Have fun. Yep.
Today is the last day. You see, we have our lunch break and everything. So
Yep.
we're supposed to go on the field, just do the last touch up and see how we can finish what we're doing.
Yeah.
So, but mostly what we planned today was going on the field. No, not going on the field, just working on the mark. But according to our coordinator, they said we have to go back and see how we can mark the mark. So, yeah, that's what everybody's going to do today, and we're looking forward to it.
Okay. Okay. You have a nice day. Basically, we'll touch back at you when we get back, so we can have a better view of what you guys are enjoying here at this place.
This is where we are living.
Yeah.
You see all the mountains.
Yeah.
So we're doing the mapping of all those mountains and trying to find out. So how old are those rocks, and which depositional environment were they deposited?
Yes.
And trying to see how the bedding planes are laid and see if we can get some structure on those mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's been going well, and it's so fun doing it.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day and make the best out of it. We get back at you later. All right.